Yeah. Hi, I'm Angiras. I'm a product manager at L-Acoustics for loudspeakers, and today we are here at InfoComm, and here we have with us the new subwoofer in addition to our family. It's called the CS1. CS1 is a natively cardioid box. We have four 21-inch transducers arranged in our patented cardioid topology. You can choose between cardioid, supercardioid, and an extended side rejection presets. Has a maximum SPL of 150 dB, and it's perfectly compatible with our newly released L1 system, and mechanically and acoustically compatible, and it also feels right at home with the existing large format K-series system. Yeah, you want to learn more about CS1, please reach out to one of our sales representatives of L-Acoustics, or you can learn more about it on our website at www.lacoustics.com. Thank you very much.